Make your garden work smarter, not harder, with the power of mulch. It's simple, affordable, and it's great for keeping your plants healthy the sustainable way. Mulch is any material spread over the soil to conserve moisture, and it can reduce evaporation by up to 70%. That means more water for your plants. Plus, mulch helps regulate soil temperature and prevents weeds from taking over. A well-mulched garden not only saves water, but also creates a healthier and sustainable environment for your plants to grow strong. There are three main types of mulches to choose from. Organic mulches, like compost, grass clippings, bark chips, and fallen leaves, not only lock in moisture, but also enrich the soil as they break down. This process encourages beneficial microorganisms and earthworms, creating a lively ecosystem beneath the surface, improving soil structure and promoting root health. Inorganic mulches, such as gravel and pebbles, might not boost soil nutrients, but they are great for retaining moisture and can add an attractive finish to your garden beds. And let's not forget about living mulches. Plants like low water use veggies and medium water use sedums compete with weeds and retain moisture, while adding beauty to your garden. Plus, the pollinators love them. Anyone can mulch. Spread at least 5 centimeters of mulch over bare soil. No digging needed, and keep it away from tree and plant stems to prevent rot. Refresh organic mulch every 6 to 8 months as it decomposes. It's that easy. And if you're starting a new garden bed, try sheet mulching. This method skips the hard digging. Just layer compost, cardboard, or newspaper, followed by organic mulch. Sprinkle with water and plant. Over time, this blend enriches the soil beneath, creating a moisture-rich, well-drained bed. Let your garden grow strong with less water. Layer and mulch it up for a greener tomorrow. Uphold the values of using water efficiently and stay informed by visiting our Rand Water WaterWise website or follow us on social media platforms for more water conservation tips.